Hello my friends! Today's video is going to be another Procreate type of video where I'm going to use some stuff that's in my shop on Etsy, but specifically also in Creative or on Creative Fabrica. And the reason why I want to share with you all the stuff that I have on Creative Fabrica is because I think you get a great deal with their yearly subscription. I will leave all the information down below on how you can subscribe for a year. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to overlay probably some text here because I don't remember how much it is off the top of my head. And I'm trying to get this video filmed because I have a break in between baby stuff and mom stuff and life stuff and everything. So I'll probably overlay some text here and hopefully that helps you. But I have renewed my subscription to Creative Fabrica like a couple of times because of how great of a deal it is that you get. So Creative Fabrica is a marketplace where you can download digital assets. They also have some classes you can take, which I've been thinking about doing something along those lines, but they have digital assets, clip art, Procreate brush sets. I think they have like Lightroom presets, fonts, Canva templates, SVGs, bundles, stickers, printable things, planner templates, digital stickers. I'm sure there's like some GoodNotes templates and stuff like that. It is a variety, an array, a smorgasbord of digital assets that you can just download when you subscribe. So you can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. You're going to get a way better deal if you pay yearly. And you can just download and 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 download. And what I like about that, I promise we'll get to the tutorial. What I like about that is I'm always struggling with Procreate brushes and stuff. I think I'm like, this brush looks great. So I purchased it for $5 or $10 or $18 or $25 or whatever dollars. And then I'm like, I don't really like this. This doesn't do what I expected to do, mainly because I don't really know Procreate all that much yet. So it doesn't do what I wanted to do. I don't like it. Maybe I want to buy another one. Creative Fabrica, purchase the subscription and then download 700 Procreate brushes and then save only the ones that you really want to use. That's how I do it. So today we are going to do some planner stickering kind of. I'll show you this. I have been really interested in all of these like pattern blob abstract shape kind of things that people have been putting out. Almost on my iPad has stuff all over that people have been putting out like in their physical, sticker shops. And I've been thinking, I don't know if this is something that I want to use in my planning, but I'm intrigued by it. Can I make my own? The answer is yes. So I have made a set of Procreate stamped brushes that you all can use to make your own stickers like this. But we're going to start from the basics. Start from the beginning first. We're going to make this like pattern that's in the middle. I'm just going to do something like really simply and really quick. So I would suggest the way my stamps are going to work, they're going to work best on a canvas that's 4.5 by 6.75 inches wide tall. This is half of the print and cut area for Cricut Design Space. I know that they recently updated their sizing, so you can kind of fit more per page, but the biggest image, like single image, is still 6.75 by 9.25. So to make it easier for you to store stickers in your sticker storage, the best size to get 2 things per page is 4.5 by 6.75. So I'm gonna go over here. I have that saved as a canvas already that I go to and use a lot. So 4.5 by 6.75. I also have a random color palette down here that I also got off of Creative Fabrica. And then I'm just going to use, you can see these are the brushes that I created, the grunge sticker templates. We will get there. But right now I'm just going to go through, as you can see, I have so many of these things downloaded. So I'm just going through like some of my brushes that I have, and I'm just like choosing some colors to work with and kind of gonna make like an abstract kind of background. This is really fun if you have like some frustration you want to get out, or like, I don't know, just you want to like doodle and scribble and like do whatever, because we're just making an abstract background. It doesn't really matter. You could get like precise, you could do with like grids and stuff. There's brushes that you can have that make grids. There's like all this type of stuff. Right now I'm just kind of trying to just do something cool. Doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to do something. Let's go over here. Let's see what other brushes I can do. What is this one? How big can we make it? So yeah, I'm just trying to do some fun stuff. Let me go back over here to see what my like saved brushes are. I think I've got, maybe I didn't save any of them. We'll go up here. Maybe we'll do this. Make this huge. That's not even a great color. You know, you can take like more time with it and like actually make it something that you really do care about. But right now, I'm just trying to get something cool going for you guys, you know? Okay, so you have this really cool abstract looking background. Doesn't that look kind of cool? So what I like to do is also, because you've just colored on a layer, I don't know if you can merge with your background color. I'm just gonna not do that, but I'm gonna insert another layer. You can see that, another layer, make it white, bring that to the back, because this is gonna be transparent. If we turn this off and we turn off the background color, you can see the gray behind it. It's gonna be transparent. It's not gonna help us really cut the way we wanna cut. So I go ahead and drop in a background that's white, and then I pinch to merge the two. So then I'll add another layer, and I'll go up here to my, where are they at? Grunge sticker templates. And the cool thing is you want it to be black. The best thing to do, I think, is black. So we make sure we've got another layer inserted, and you tap. And then you go to the arrow, you can go fit to canvas, and you can leave it like that. This is the full print and cut area, so you might want to make it a little bit smaller and kind of maybe center it so that you can create a little offset when you get into Cricut Design Space. Then we'll go back over to our layers pane. I think we drop this under and do clipping mask. And so now you have some cool blobs. Like, isn't that cool? That took you 14.5 seconds. This video is what, 6 minutes long, and we've already got this. Isn't that amazing? So we'll just go over to here. We will go to share. We'll save it as a PNG and save image. Pretty cool. So now we will go over to Cricut Design Space. Okay, so now we're in Cricut Design Space. I have a blank canvas, and I am going to go to upload. And I should say, I didn't say this before, you want to make sure that you have your background here. You want to uncheck that, because that's going to save this as a transparent PNG image. So then we can go back to Cricut Design Space and go to select photo from library, tap that, and you can see, if you can see the checkered background, that means you have a transparent image. So we can go to apply, print and cut. I'm gonna name this, I don't know, Grunge 1, done. And I will say, it is much easier to do this on your iPad than it is like on your computer. But if you notice, you're getting this dark line around here, if y'all can see that. What I have found is when you go to your computer, you're gonna have to do this on your computer. Sometimes when there's an update, this is what happens, and I don't know why. But you're gonna have to go to your computer, and I think we can go to edit, print and cut. And we want to change this to basic, and we want to change it to a random color and hit apply. And then you want to go back over to print and cut, and then original, and then apply. It might not work. It's not working here on Design Space on your iPad. You're gonna get this like black line that will print, and you don't want it to do that. So another step may be to save this as a PNG either to your files or like your Google Drive or even your Google Photos or something like that, and then do this work that I'm doing on my iPad on your PC, on your laptop, on whatever, because the Cricut Design Space app is a particular beast that I do not understand of why these things happen. But I'm showing you here because it's easier. I already have this out. I'm already designing it on whatever this is called. Procreate. No, on my iPad. I'm already doing it on my iPad. So we're gonna do that. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to the height and the width and make the width 4.5, keeping the proportions locked. And that's stays at a 4.5 by 6.73. That's okay. So then we can go to our offset, and it'll make an offset, but we want to make it smaller. So let's see what that does. 0.1. 03. 0.03. Okay, let's do cancel. Let's do offset again. And we'll use this 0.51. Let's go in here again. Jiminy Cricket. I guess we're not gonna get what we want. It's just gonna go to 0. This will probably be easier to do on your laptop as well, because I don't want it to be 0.5. What if I go over here and then do a 3 and then go over there and no backspace? Aha, that worked. Okay, so that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. So we'll hit done. We can go over to, I think it's gonna, yeah, let's change it to white, apply. We're gonna select all of these things and hit flatten. That should change it all to print then cut. And let's go over here to edit and see 4.5 by 6.79. So we might want to just bring this down to 6.75. There you go. That works. We can hit make it. And you can be able to print it that way. I will say you should also go ahead and insert a shape. Let's go to a square. We're going to unlock this and go 9.25. Oops. Heck. Undo. I want this. Okay. 9.25 by, nope, 6.75. So now we've got that. Where? Arrange. Send to back. Yeah, so now you can see that offset better. We can align this like this. Where's the layers? Actually, let's not do that. We can go, what, actions? Duplicate. And you could make a whole separate one if you wanted to, but now you've got 2. I will go over here to layers. I am going to hide this. I'm going to select both of these. I am going to flatten that, and then I'm going to hit make it. Oops. And now you can print 2 to a page. So you can see, does this zoom in? You're going to get a black line around here. You want to go do that whole restore original artwork thing. You want to do this from your PC. If you ever are getting, here's a pro tip, honestly, if you're ever getting this black outline, you're going to either want to upload it straight from your PC or do the restore original artwork thing from where you change it from print and cut to basic cut. So now you have some blobby doos that you can print on either like regular paper, sticker paper, or like clear sticker paper, the frosted sticker paper, whatever you want to do. And so that's how you do this with all of these. So we can tap on this, undo the clipping mask. I can like uncheck that so it doesn't display anymore. I'll add a new layer. We'll go over to our brushes and I'll do a different one. Let's do this one. Do like that. Go to our arrow, fit to canvas. I might make it just a little bit bigger so I can account for the offset when we drag it into Cricut Design Space. Tap on this, hold down, come on, cooperate. What's happening? There we go. Okay, then tap on our colored layer that we made. Clipping mask. Now you got this one, you know, pretty cool. Undo that, add another layer. Let's see. I got the windows open because it's hot. So I got the windows open. So here's what this one looks like. We do another layer, yes. Tap here, here, fit to canvas, make it a little bit smaller. So then we'll drag this one below. Wink. Why? Some of this frustrates me so much. Clipping mask. And now you got this one, and you can see all the shapes look kind of different, and they all have different textures. I'm sorry about the windows, but it is what it is. This one kind of has like, I don't know, like a blotchy texture. This one is more of like a sketchy texture. This one is also kind of sketchy. Let's see, what other ones? This one's more grainy. Let's see, let's add another one. This one's more grainy. It's kind of more, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Airbrushy, kind of, if you will. So you can see like that. Pretty cool. Let's do this. Drag this behind here. Turn that layer back on. Go to clipping mask. So you can see that. Pretty cool. So yeah. So those are the, I don't think I did this one. That is the brushes that I have that I made that so my camera died there for a second. I don't know what was up, but those are the brushes that I made. There's 6 of them, 5 of them, I think. Yeah, there's 5 of them in here. They can help you make some really cool, you know, grungy, splotchy, blotchy, blobby, abstract stickers. Super easy, print and cut. You can also do this on your Silhouette. Same thing, save it as a PNG, drag it into Silhouette Studio, and it should automatically do a, what do you call it? An outline. There's something now where it's like an instant trace or something like that if you have a PNG image already, and then you can just create an offset that way, print and cut it, all that jazz. Same thing. But yeah, I think that the deal for Creative Fabrica is so, I don't know, you just get so much bang for your buck. All of my Canva templates are over there. All my sticker templates are over there. I have some other Procreate brushes. I'm going to be adding more Procreate brushes. I'm going to have a sticker template Procreate brush as soon as I can actually get these things listed and actually get this filmed for you. This is the first time I've had a break, so I'm talking really fast too. First time I had a break, an opportunity to film in a very, very, very long time. So you also might get some more car filming, depending on if I get hot or not. It might be more in the fall that I do this. But anyway. And so yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Check out Creative Fabrica. Again, it's a bomb diggity deal. And yeah, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.